Installing the front light. To do this, you will need high-performance grease, a rag, a 5mm hex key, a 10mm spanner, a torque wrench with a 5mm hex key attachment, some zip ties, and some cutting pliers for the zip ties. The parts you need are the front light, which comes on the bike attached to the front brake, 2 washers, and one of the 2 nuts which are installed on the bike where the light will be fitted to. First of all, tighten the remaining nut against the fork with a 10mm spanner and 5mm hex key to hold it in place. Grease the bolt and place 1 washer onto it. Take the front light and pass it under the fork and onto the bolt, ensuring that it's not pinched by the fender and does not rub against the tyre. Place the washer and the nut onto the bolt and tighten with a 10mm spanner to 5 Nm, and make sure the light is in the correct position. You can zip tie the cables into place once you've installed the brake caliper. Finally, adjust the fender with a 10mm spanner so that it sits straight over the wheel.